And more news coming in. Let's tell you a little more about this and India Today impact at this point in time. This news is from the national capital, where 3 Delhi Jal Board officials have been suspended by the government. The government is swinging into action after India Today reports a committee formed by the government to probe the incident. Minister Parvesh Verma has said, we will also take the strictest possible action against the company that was working here, referring to the accident that has taken place, taking the life of a young man in Delhi. Listen to Parvesh Verma.
जो भी हुआ बहुत ही दुखद है। हम जल बोर्ड के यहाँ के जो अधिकारी हैं, जेई हैं, एक्सीएन हैं, एई हैं, वो तीनों को सस्पेंड कर रहे हैं। जो कंपनी यहाँ पे काम कर रही थी, हम वो कंपनी के ऊपर में भी कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई करेंगे। दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के सीईओ ने पिछले महीने ही नोएडा इंसिडेंट के बाद में एक सर्कुलर इशू किया था। सारे दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के अधिकारियों को कहा था कि जहाँ पर भी काम हो रहे हैं वो वहाँ पर जाके खुद उसको चेक करें। ये 3 महीने से काम हो रहा था। कल रात को ही गड्ढा खुदा था। उसी के साथ में कॉन्ट्रैक्टर के 2 लेबर वो अपनी झुग्गी डालकर बैठे हुए थे।
Shivani continues to be with us for more on that. You know, Shivani, this is a horrific incident that we're reporting on. Clearly, no lessons learned. We've seen some heads roll as far as the Delhi Jal Board is concerned, but you know, its authorities have got some serious answering to do, isn't this? This criminal apathy.
Certainly, Sneha, this happens to be just an act of rolling out all the statements and now showing that action is being done, action is being taken. But you see, this site clearly remains to be a danger zone where there is still no reflector, there is still no embankment, still no secure points. And this pit that was dug by the Delhi Jal Board for some construction work had this open pit in which Kamal fell along with his bike, where he lost his life. His family members kept looking for him through the night. They approached several police stations, but no help was granted to him immediately. And only when a woman saw his bike and him in this pit, she reported to the police, and then he was taken to a hospital and he was declared dead. So this is certainly an act of apathy, an act of negligence on the part of Delhi Jal Board, the government, and now a lot of statements are being given out, a lot of claims being made, and suspension of 3 officials of the Delhi Jal Board, the executive engineer, the junior engineer, and one more engineer who's been suspended. But clearly, you can see this whole roadhead remains to be quite approachable and open. You can see a car parked here. It was not a closed roadhead. There was no barricade placed before. Only after the death occurred, this green mesh, these barricades, and all action is taking place here at this site. You can still see a lot of workers from the Aam Aadmi Party. We also saw Parvesh Verma, who was here a while back, who gave a statement that whoever is responsible the action will be taken against him. But you see, this pit still remains open, without any security, without any reflectors along this whole roadhead. The work was going on, but no clear signal for a man who was not aware of this area to avoid this danger zone, this pit that led to the loss of his life. This is a 25 to 30 feet deep pit that has claimed this life, and not a lesson learned after the Noida techie that happened. So certainly it's quite unfortunate, and even more unfortunate and shameful is that the politics has already started on this particular death, because this is the site where we still see people and workers from the Aam Aadmi Party. A while back when Parvesh Verma was here, there was a sloganeering happening, and there was an upfront showdown between the workers of BJP and Aam Aadmi Party. So suspensions have come, but we have to see that whether the man who lost his life due to this negligence is served justice or not.
Right, Shivani getting in those details at this point in time from ground zero, where this horrific accident has taken place, and this is criminal apathy and nothing else, given that this manhole was left open. Of course, some sort of an action, disciplinary action has been taken. We just hope it's not an eyewash and that some work is done to ensure that there is no repeat of this. Meanwhile, there's been fair amount of political bickering. Also, the opposition is raising it, and rightly so. As far as this tragic incident from Delhi's Janakpuri is concerned, a motorcyclist, nearly a 25-year-old man, died after falling into an open pit dug by the Delhi Jal Board, and nobody bothered to close it. And the man, in fact, fell into it and died while his family waited for him. This is, in fact, comes just days after a similar lapse was seen in the neighboring city of Noida. The deceased has been identified as Kamal, a resident of Kailash Puri, who was returning home late at night from his office in Rohini. When he failed to reach home, his family looked for him through the night, visiting multiple police stations. It was only around 7:30 a.m. that they were informed by the police. Kamal was found inside the pit along with his motorcycle. Now, the Deputy Chief Minister was Water and PWD portfolios, Parvesh Verma, has ordered swift action with 3 officials of the Delhi Jal Board suspended, directing an immediate review of safety arrangements, instructing authorities to ensure proper barricading and signage and ordered strict verification of compliance with safety norms. Verma has also called for tough corrective measures to prevent any recurrence. Aam Aadmi Party has launched a blistering attack on the BJP-led Delhi government. Delhi AAP Chief Saurabh Bhardwaj, citing claims by Kamal's friend, alleged that no report was filed during the night to manipulate facts. Also questioned why nobody was found in the pit at night, how it appeared there by morning, and why the location shared during the night was deleted by the police. These are questions that the opposition is raising. Family has listed multiple lapses, alleging that the pit was left uncovered with no barricading or warning signs in place. Also claimed there was no reflective markers to alert commuters at night. Have further said police negligence in response to this incident.
We are right now at Janakpuri, where a biker lost his life falling with his bike in this pit that was dug by the Jal Board, and the family of this person kept on looking for him through the night. They went to various police stations when he did not return home, but the police did not help them much. That's what the family has been alleging. They say that if the police had acted in time, the man would have been saved. And this is the pit that has been dug. You can see this is around 7 to 8 feet deep pit that has been dug by the Delhi Jal Board. The construction work was going on, and Kamal, who was returning home from work, he fell into this pit along with his bike and he died. So one more time, the irresponsibility is very evident out here of the authorities. The Delhi Jal Board, who had dug this pit, did not put up clear barricades out here to stop the movement or to warn the people who are taking this road. This is a busy road in Janakpuri. You can see the other side of the road where the traffic movement is quite heavy. This is a place where generally people are moving through the day, and in the night also there is a lot of traffic, but there was no clear signal to stop the movement, and that's how the man, he fell inside this pit along with his bike and he lost his life. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Prem Chand for India Today from Janakpuri.
मैं इधर अपने जनकपुरी वाले थाने में आया तो उन्होंने मेरे को उसकी एक लोकेशन निकाल के दी कि इसकी लोकेशन लास्ट यहाँ पे है अवेलेबल। फिर जो अवेलेबल है मैं फिर सामने वाले पार्क में ढूंढते रहे, उन्होंने कहा इस पार्क के अंदर है वो। कितने थानों में ये लापरवाही है, हादसा थोड़ी है। मेरा भाई इतना पागल थोड़ी कि सामने जान उसके गड्ढे में घुसेगा। पर्दे अभी लगाए गए हैं क्योंकि पर्दों में धूल नहीं है। पर्दा सुबह लगाया गया, पीछे वाला पहले से लगा हुआ था। उसका नाम था कमल दयानी।
तो क्या ये रास्ता आपको लगता है यहाँ से खुला हुआ था?
हाँ हाँ खुला हुआ था बिल्कुल। मैंने रात को खुद 1:30 बजे
देख रहे हैं कि ये पूरा जो रोड है यहाँ पे दिल्ली जल बोर्ड का काम चल रहा है।
मैंने खुद रात को 1:30 बजे आके गड्ढे में चेक किया था, तब वो नहीं था यहाँ पे।
अच्छा,
मैं कल पूरी रात से उसको ढूंढ रहा हूँ।
कल रात में गड्ढे में नहीं था?
गड्ढे में नहीं था, 1:30 बजे के आसपास की बात है, नहीं था।
अच्छा,
कितने थानों के चक्कर लगाए? कम से कम 6 थानों के चक्कर लगाए हैं, कहीं से कोई सपोर्ट नहीं मिला। थाने की तरफ से कोई सपोर्ट नहीं मिला।
तो पुलिस ने बताया नहीं क्या पूरी रात गड्ढे में था या कब उसे निकाला गया?
बताया उन्होंने, सुबह बताया, वो भी उन्होंने खुद कॉल नहीं करी। मैंने अपने भाई के नंबर पे कॉल किया सुबह, तो उन्होंने आई थिंक उसको गड्ढे से उस टाइम तक निकाल चुके थे, तो उसके कॉल उन्होंने उठाया, उन्होंने बोला कि आप इधर लोकेशन में आ जाओ, ऐसा ऐसा उसका एक्सीडेंट हो गया है।
ये गड्ढा कब से, हम लोग पिछले 8 महीने से ये सब चीजें देख रहे हैं। इतनी परेशानी है चलने की, उतरने की, कोई मतलब गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, प्रशासन की तरफ से कुछ नहीं ऐसा हो रहा। हम लोग डेली गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, बाइक चला रहे हैं, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं। एक स्पीड में आ रही होती है गाड़ी, स्पीड में आ रही है। अगर कोई चीज अगर हाईलाइट हो रही है, कुछ रेड कपड़ा, ग्रीन कपड़ा, कुछ भी चीज हाईलाइट है, तो आदमी अपनी स्पीड को रोकता है।
यहाँ से खुला उसका कोई फायदा ही नहीं है। वो आगे आप देखिए, फ्लैट के आगे मिट्टी गिरी है। हम बुजुर्ग लोग पार्क में जाते हैं तो मैं 1 दफा खुद गिर चुका हूँ। कोई लाइट लगा देते जिसके लिए इंडिकेशन होना चाहिए।
यहाँ पर जल बोर्ड के काम के लिए एक गड्ढा खुदा हुआ है, जिसमें कल रात को श्री कमल ध्यानी जी है, जिनकी एज तकरीबन 25 साल है। उनकी बाइक उस गड्ढे में गिर गई और अनफॉर्चुनेटली उनकी रात को डेथ हो गई है। इनके ये जो भी गड्ढा किसने खोदा हुआ है, इसमें कौन से अधिकारी है या कॉन्ट्रैक्टर कौन है, इस सब की भी हम जांच करेंगे।
मैंने तुरंत जल बोर्ड का जो ये काम चल रहा है, इसकी सभी सावधानियों की जानकारी लेने का और उसकी जांच करने का निर्देश दिया है। अगर किसी की कोई कमी पाई जाएगी तो उसको बख्शा नहीं जाएगा।
आशीष सूद की विधानसभा में दो ही चीजें मशहूर हैं। एक आशीष सूद के होर्डिंग, जहां देखो उनका होर्डिंग है, और जहां देखो सड़क में गड्ढे हैं। एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव मिनिस्टर यही है। एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ दिल्ली जल बोर्ड, विच इज अ बोर्ड, इज अर्बन डेवलपमेंट। ही इज द मिनिस्टर कंसर्न्ड। और ये कह रहे हैं मैंने जांच कर ली है। सुरक्षा के सारे जो जरूरत होती है वो सब थी, मगर मैंने कह दिया कि चीफ इंजीनियर जो है एक कमेटी बना के जांच कर ले। अरे जब मंत्री ने पहले ही जांच करके डिक्लेयर ही कर दिया मीडिया में कि सब कुछ था, वो लड़का ही पागल था कि वो बाइक समेत उसमें कूद गया और मर गया। यही हुआ ना इसका मतलब।